Welcome. In this video, we will see how to write a C program to draw graphical objects like circle and rectangle. So, for that, we will open Turbo C, create a new file, include header file, include stdio.h, include conio.h, and include graphics.h. So whenever we are drawing graphical objects like circle or rectangle, we must compulsorily include graphics.h header file in our program. So write our main function void main. We will declare integer variable gd is equal to detect and gm. GD means graphics driver and GM means graphics mode. We will always set the value of GD to detect. Detect means it will automatically detect the graphics driver which we should use, and GM means graphics mode. Now for drawing the rectangle circle, we will require the XY coordinate of center of circle and also radius of the circle. So suppose x and y are the coordinates of center of a circle, and let us take an integer variable radius that will store the value of radius of a circle. Now for drawing a rectangle, we will require the top left vertex of rectangle and bottom right vertex of a rectangle. So let us take integer variable for this, integer left top and integer right bottom. Left and right are the x coordinates and top and bottom are the y coordinates. Now let us take these values from user. So for that we will display one message on the screen. Enter the coordinates of center of circle and radius. We will store the value of this value of coordinates of center of circle and radius into variable x, y and radius. So %d, comma address of x, address of y and address of radius variable. We will also take the coordinates of left top, right bottom from the user. Enter the coordinates left top, right bottom from of rectangle. %d, %d, address of left, address of top, top variable, address of right, address of bottom. Now we will write one function init graph and pass the parameters address of GD variable, address of GM variable, and location of our BGI file. Init graph function is used to change the mode of our system. It will change our system from normal text mode to graphics mode, because whenever we are drawing graphical objects like circle or rectangle, then we can only draw it if our system is in the graphics mode. If you look at the syntax of init graph function, here we pass address of GD variable, address of GM variable, and location of BGI file. BGI is a driver file and it is located in C drive. In C drive, there is a turbo C3 folder, and inside that you will find the BGI file. In my system, this BGI file is located in C drive, and in C drive there is a turbo C3 folder, and there you will find this BGI file. Now suppose I want to draw a circle in blue color. So for that I will use set color function and pass constant value blue. And for drawing the circle, I will use circle function and pass the xy coordinate of center of circle and radius as a parameter. Again, suppose I want to change the color of drawing. Suppose I want to draw now rectangle in red color. So I will change the color using set color function and pass the parameter constant value red for red color. And for drawing the rectangle, I will use rectangle function and pass the coordinates left, top, right, and bottom. Left means x coordinate and top means y coordinate of the left top vertex of rectangle, and right means x coordinate and bottom means y coordinate of right bottom vertex of the rectangle. Then getCH function. GetCH function will hold our screen till we enter give some input to the program, and finally write close graph function. Close graph function will change our system from graphics mode to normal text mode. So it is compulsory to write the close graph function at the end of our program. Save this file. Give some name, suppose p8.c. Compile this file. No error. Run this file. So enter the coordinates of center of circle and radius. Suppose the coordinates of center of the circle are 100, 120, and the radius is suppose 60. Enter the coordinates left, top, right, bottom of rectangle. Suppose the coordinates are 200, 200, 340, and 340. So here you can see we have successfully drawn a circle in blue color and a rectangle in red color. So in this way we can draw a circle and rectangle in C language. So if you want to learn more such programming videos, then please subscribe the channel. Thank you.